Hey guys, we're going to be replacing regular outlets with GFCI decora. That's the plate right there. Well, let's turn off the breaker. Here it is right here. Alright. Alright, no power. Alright, good. Alright, let's go ahead and switch. Here's the inside. There's this. We'll cover it. Alright, outlets out. Just get these out of here. See, the wires got nicked in there, guys. It's got a little bit of a yikes. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's going through there. Alright, guys. Screw it up. There we go. Looks like it's a commercial grade, actually, which is nice. Alright, outlet 2. Here we go. Here's one of the wires. Pigtails. Okay, here's the other one. Alright, other outlet out. It's commercial grade, which is interesting. Now, fix this nick. Wrap some tape around this because, like, the wire is somehow nicked right here. That's not good, so, yeah. Go and fix that a little bit. So I'll predict that the GFCI will be on this side and the other one will be on this side. So the line wires will be coming here. This is going to other things, which will not be GFCI protected because it's already on another GFCI. Well, you might think, well, why don't I have that protected with one GFCI? Well, it's a dining outlet that feeds to an outside outlet. I know it's messy, but guess what, guys? This is a 1960s house. So it does have a little messy wiring, but I'll try to separate them as much as possible as far as it goes with GFCI protection. So, alright, well anyways, I'm going to read right here. It says line. Okay, so line is on the top and loads on the bottom. And since we'll be protecting this outlet with this outlet, I'll take off this sticker right here. So, there we go. So yeah, we got the load terminals exposed now, so yeah. By the way, guys, I am definitely not using the backstab method because this is just a residential grade. And if I wanted to, I could put the wires through here, the backstab, but no. I'm definitely not doing that. I'll use, so like, this part of the wire to loop it around. We'll make some pigtails with 12 gauge wire, and I'll even prove it to you guys. I saw the marking on here somewhere. So it's always on the wire jacket thingy. So wherever the, here's somewhere, right. See right there, it says 12 gauge. So. Alright guys, now we got 12 gauge pigtails here. Got it from that wire. So now go to the outlet and we'll put it into the GFCI, and then we'll put it in there. So yeah, strip it. Oh yeah. Alright, other end. 12 gauge. Boom. There we go. Neutral. Scrub. Perfect. wrap the 12 gauge around here. Just like, anyways. Maybe I should strip a little bit more to make up for that. There. Let's see. Pretty much only got one shot at this, so let's wrap it. Oh yeah, there we go. Now that's nice. Look at that. Now we tighten the screw, and then we'll do the same for the life, so yeah. So we'll tighten it down. Alright. Super snug. Straighten the wire out. Real nice here. So there we go. Almost got a perfect pigtail. A live pigtail. There we go. So now we can tighten it live down. Now we're good. Now we straighten this out. There we go. Got the 12 gauge pigtails on here now. And this is gonna stay 12 gauge. The GFCI. There's clamps here. So now what I'll do is I'll bend the wires to fit into the GFCI. Load. Neutral. Alright. Kind of like this. So load. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Strip some more of that. And now, perfect. Oh, look, that live automatically went in there. It's a perfect length, so yeah. It's a good idea to wrap tape around it since it'll be like really close, live and neutral, so yeah, good idea. So let's start like here. Just wrap this around electrical tape. Isolated now. Alright, there we go. So now, So you got a complete circuit. So that'll look like inside. Pretty nice. It's a 20 amp circuit now. It's 12 gauge. Right now we can put the whole thing in there. Okay. Put both of these into the line. So it'll be. I like how this clamp has two two wire holders. So we can put both those wires in that. So we're only GFCI protecting this one, so yeah. Okay, neutral secure. Now let's do the live and then we'll be done. Ding! Alright, now we got it all wired up here. Now we're ready to install the outlets in the box. Wrap tape around the GFCI first. I've already done this, but now it's in GFCI's turn. Alright. There we go, guys. Got it all done. Now let's turn the breaker on. Alright, now let's turn the breaker back on. Alright, now let's push the reset button on the GFCI. And there we go. It's working. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, so now I put stickers on here. So since there's no ground, I put no equipment ground. This one's GFCI protected, but GFCI protected outlet. Because it's like there is no ground, there's just the middle light. That means there's no ground. It's not going to trip if you push that. The test button, that turns off. To make sure. So there's two. Yeah, it's off, and if I push it, it should turn on.